In this video, I'll show you how to update Ledger firmware. First, open the Ledger Live app on your computer and connect your Ledger hardware wallet using the USB cable. Unlock your device with your PIN and make sure Ledger Live recognizes it. Next, click My Ledger in the sidebar. If prompted, allow Ledger Manager on your Ledger device. Ledger Live will automatically check whether a new firmware update is available. Now, if an update is available, click Update Firmware. Before continuing, make sure you have your 24-word recovery phrase stored safely offline, just in case you need it. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the update process. After that, confirm the update on your Ledger device when prompted. Keep your device connected throughout the process and do not disconnect it until the update is complete. Your device may restart several times while the new firmware is being installed. Finally, once the firmware update has finished, Ledger Live will confirm that your device is up to date. If necessary, reinstall any cryptocurrency apps that were removed during the update, then verify that your accounts are still available in Ledger Live. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to update Ledger firmware. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.